Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Bree B, and today I'll be showing you my hair routine. I don't really have a hair routine, but this is just one way that I can do my hair that I often like to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and don't mind that. To do this hairstyle, I'm going to be using 4 items. First, I have my straightener, which I use the Global Beauty Company straightener. And I'm going to also be using a brush. My brush is the yellow dry bar brush. Then I'm going to be using hairspray, which is optional, but yeah. Then I use rain balloons for small hair ties. I'm only going to be needing about 4. And lastly, 2 hair ties. The first thing I'm going to be doing is brushing out my hair. Next, I'm going to grab my straightener and plug it in so that starts to get hot. I know that when it's ready, when the light starts to blink. So I'm going to put that aside. Alright, so now I'm going to just straighten out some pieces of my hair just so that it's easier to braid. This step is optional, but alright, so now I'm trying to get these lights out of the way. Then I'm going to separate my hair into 2 parts, each equal amounts of hair. Then I'm going to put this side up in a ponytail to keep that out of the other side. And I'm just going to brush out this side and straighten it so it's easier to braid. Then I'm going to separate that into 2 sections. I'm going to put that in a ponytail to keep that out of the way. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start braiding it out to this side in a French braid formation. So just grabbing one section of the hair from the top and braiding it, and then continuously adding one strand in on each side. Now I am just braiding it till it's done, and then I'm going to tie this up. Now I'm going to move on to the next section of hair after I get this out. It looks fine to me. Alright, I'm not really going for looks here because I'm going to be taking it out. And it's only for work, so it's not that big a deal if it looks horrible. So I'm going to be braiding this section of hair. Not in a French braid, just as a normal braid because I can't really reach back there. But yeah, we're just going to braid that all the way through. So the point of this hairstyle is really just to get curls, not to get like a good looking braid or whatever. Alright, so I'm going to tie that up and move on to the next section. So now that we have those 2 braids done, we're going to move on to this side. And take this ponytail that we just took out. And we're going to split. Alright, splitting this in half. Ponytailing this one up. And now I look weird since I've just put this into a bun. But okay. Cindy Lou Hoo. Hashtag cringy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and braid this side. Section of the side. Side of the side. Section of the section. Yeah. I have to go to work soon, so I gotta speed this process up a bit. Alright, so I'm almost done braiding this one, and once I finish, I'm gonna move on to the next side. So I'm gonna ponytail this up. Alright, now we're braiding the side super fast. Just kidding, it's going really slow, but it's just in fast forward, so. Okay, so we have 4 braids. And let me check what time it is. Sorry about that. I had to reply to a few Snapchats and texts. Alright, back to the video. Snap. Okay, so now that we're done with this, and this is nice and heated up, we're going to go ahead and straighten this out. And it's not going to work. It's probably not going to. It's probably going to be like, but, so, whatever. trial. It's hot. Okay, whatever, we're done. Yep, okay. Yeah, it didn't really work. But that's okay, because life is about trial and error. And this was error and trial. We tried and we failed, so trial and error. I broke it again. See, this one is a little better. Actually, this is pretty good, because I was trying to go for like not too crimpy. And I have my pajamas on, and it is 2 o'clock. Don't judge. I usually wear leggings under my jeans in the winter because it's cold. I don't know what I'm saying. It's just something I do, okay? And sometimes it first began when I had like school, and I would wear leggings to school, and then I had work right after, so I would just put the jeans over the leggings so I didn't have to change and then go home and stuff like that. And why didn't I just wear jeans to school? I don't know, but yeah. My dog, Willow, is hardcore judging me. So, see how that works? Alright, and now I just need my socks, my jacket, my shoes. They're pink, and they have schnauzers on them. I don't really know what animal that is, if it's even a dog. So we're gonna pretend like it's a schnauzer, because these are my work shoes. They're my everyday shoes, I guess. I wear them every day, so actually no. I should do like a reacting to my cringy old YouTube videos, but technically they're like my cringiest one was yesterday. Like, I know it's cringy when I upload it, because like I spot it cringe when I know it, but in like 3 years it'll be even more cringier than it was, because I'll be like, oh, why did I upload that? But I'm like, why did I upload that today? But I don't want to delete it, because like it's memories, you know. Like, I'm not very good at YouTube, and I know that. I think my channel is unique, right? I don't know. So yeah, this is just a camera that I use. But like iPhone camera qualities, or the iPhone camera, like iPhone, their camera quality is actually pretty good. So, you know, like when you say like, oh, sorry that I'm vlogging on my phone and it's horrible quality, like it's not that bad, because this one actually is pretty good. Like right now, like you can see every detail in my eyeball. Not really, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn the notifications on, pet your corgi. Oh wait, you don't have a corgi? I do. And have a great day. Bye.